Medical devices have transformed healthcare, saving lives and enhancing well-being. Now, with the rise of AI and machine learning, we're entering a new frontier. But this innovation brings unique challenges, especially when it comes to ensuring fairness, privacy, and safety. Today, we'll explore the evolving landscape of medical device regulation and how we can shape its future. Current regulatory frameworks, such as those from the FDA and EMA, have set the foundation for medical device safety and effectiveness. While robust, these frameworks face challenges when applied to AI-powered devices. Key complexities include addressing AI bias, ensuring explainability, and protecting patient data. Regulatory changes, such as the FDA's guidance on software as a medical device, SIMD, aim to tackle these issues. Yet, the rapid evolution of AI often outpaces these updates, leaving gaps that impact manufacturers and patients alike. AI and machine learning are revolutionizing medical device development. But these technologies aren't immune to bias, which can lead to unfair or unsafe outcomes for certain patient groups. Digital health and telehealth offer opportunities to expand access, but also risk amplifying existing inequities. Meanwhile, the rise of cyberattacks and data breaches highlights the urgent need for robust privacy and security measures, especially as we integrate AI deeper into medical devices. So, where are we headed? Future regulations will need to account for emerging trends such as personalized medicine, which tailors treatments to individuals, and 3D printing of patient-specific devices. While exciting, these advances could exacerbate AI bias if not proactively managed. Real-world evidence and post-market surveillance will play a critical role in identifying and mitigating AI biases. But achieving global standards for ethical AI requires regulatory harmonization and international collaboration. How can manufacturers stay ahead? First, proactive engagement with regulatory agencies is key. Building relationships and understanding guidelines for AI bias assessment and mitigation will be crucial. Second, embrace digital transformation. Leverage advanced tools to streamline compliance and improve fairness in AI-powered devices. Finally, invest in research and development to anticipate future demands. Innovating with ethical principles in mind will ensure AI-powered medical devices remain trustworthy and effective. Medical device regulation is evolving rapidly. Stay informed and engage with resources that focus on ethical AI development. Continued learning and adaptation are vital in this dynamic environment. Together, we can shape the future of medical device regulation, ensuring that innovation remains ethical, unbiased, and centered on patient well-being.